Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 14 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen that is already open and visible on my screen. Once the content that you wish to capture is visible on your screen, simply press the power button and the volume down at the same time. And it gives you this pop-up with share and the scroll options visible, and after a moment this will disappear automatically. That's one way you can capture a screenshot. There is actually another way. Normally when you capture your first screenshot it will let you know, but there is one using 3-finger gestures like this. There is 3 different options as well on top of that to the 3-finger gestures, so you can like swipe, hold and then swipe, hold and swipe all the way, which captures long screenshot and so on. First time around, like I said, it gets you this information so you can go through each one of the pages to get acquainted with how they work. But once you capture a screenshot, you can find it in your photos. Let me just close this. And normally your screenshot will appear right here in your photos tab, but you can also navigate into the albums, in which you will find an album called screenshots. In here you will find only screenshots and also screen recordings, but it's still much more organized and easy to find whatever you're looking for rather than going through your entire photo library. So anyway, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.